You're doing it, Kate. You're going super fast, Ty Ty Man. You're doing it. No, your foot wasn't on the pedal. Yeah. You can learn. We'll get you your own bicycle. You learn on Diego, you'll get a big one. You're doing it for a second. Show me again. Wow, Tyler. Good job. Tired? Keep going. You gotta. I know, you're working on it. Gonna do a wheelie. Yeah. Watch for Caitlin, Tyler. Oh, wipe out. Did you get dirt in your eyes? Did you get dirt in your eyes? I like your racing bike. The big bike. Oh, down we went. No crying. You just told Tyler that.
Mommy, did you have shoe back on? Mommy, look it.
Oh, you got a boo-boo? I think you're going to make it.
Mom, can you tie our shoe? And can you tie this one too?